So we are now going to start about the early nationalists or the moderates. Now let me tell you why were they called moderates. They were called moderates because their policies and methods were moderate. It was not extreme, nor very easy also. All right, that is why they were called moderates or the early nationalists. I'll tell you, there were so many leaders of the early nationalists, and these leaders were the men of letters, all highly qualified people. People like Badruddin Tayeb ji, people like Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, all right, Badruddin Tayeb ji, and Firoz Shah Mehta, then Acharya Kripalani. So they were the great early nationalist leaders. And you can understand the national movement of this country in the early phase, as with the very inception of Congress, remained in the hands of these great personalities. As I just told you, the names of so many leaders. Sometimes it makes a question. Name 3 prominent leaders of the early nationalists or the moderates. That is why I emphasized on them. All right. Now, from here we come about the main objectives of the moderates. Actually, that is our syllabus. All right. We have to read about the early nationalists, introduction. Apart from that, we have to read about, we are not going to read about achievements, we are simply going to read about their methods, the methods of the early nationalists, and of course, the 2 contribution of 3 leaders, Dadabhai Naroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Surendranath Banerjee. All right. So we'll come to that later. Now we are reading about the ways, of the kind of objectives. There are ways and objectives of the national movement. All right. The first is the moderates were very, very friendly with the Britishers. All right. They loved the British culture. I have highlighted them here. You can also jot down in your copies. They loved British culture. They loved British education. They loved British science, British history, British thought means British philosophy. And of course, British literature. The early nationalists were highly impressed with the British sense of education, science, history, culture, even administration. All right. And that is why they were very, very friendly. All right. And they had very high respect for the Britishers. All right. They felt that the arrival of the Britishers in their country was nothing but a blessing. All right. It was not a curse. It was a blessing because they had brought blessings in manifold. All right. There were reason behind it. I'll tell you, the Britishers along with them had brought so many things in India. As soon as the whole country was brought under one administration of the Britishers, all right, we achieved many things in blessing in disguise. All right, like we had one administration that is called British administration or British India. Apart from that, earlier we have East India Company ruling us. Apart from that, they had brought transportation to India, railways, roadways, all right. Apart from that, they had brought Western science to India, the Lord Macaulay's educational compound educational system, along with Lord Curzon. Then they had brought so many blessings to India. All right. like they in fact started setting up industries in India. So the industrial growth also started with the arrival of the Britishers. They also started schools and colleges, even universities. All right. They had brought the modern means in India, modern means of education. All right. The Western history, the Western philosophy. So for all these contributions to India, all right, these moderates were highly grateful to them. All right. So that is why I tell you that moderates were very friendly and loved their culture, education, science, history, Western thought and literature. At the same time, they had faith in the British. All right. They had faith in the British fair play and justice. They believed in British justice also. What they used to think? That the Britishers will do the reform to the Indians as soon as the Indians, as soon as they get to know the will of the Indians. As soon as they come to know that the Indians need certain reforms, the Britishers will do those reforms, all right, when the right time comes. So these moderates had that faith in them. All right. Similarly, they also had a faith that the British would grant them home rule. When the Indians will be able to administer themselves, they would even grant us the home rule. All right. So this is these are the certain things which the moderates in fact had, and therefore the moderates were very loyal to the Britishers also. All right. As I told you in the beginning, they thought that the associations with the British was not a curse but a blessing. All right. So this is just an introduction, and from now we are going to start the methods. All right. 20